Is it a bird or is it a plane? An NHK crew has captured a flying object that stayed in the air for what could be a record-breaking time. It's actually a flying fish with big pectoral fins that are spread wide open. The fish looks like a glider in the air. Footage of the record-breaking fish flight was captured off Kagoshima Prefecture. Here it goes. The fish flaps its V-shaped tail fin underwater until it has enough power to leap into the air. Amazingly, it keeps up with a ferry that is traveling at 30 kilometers per hour. The fish is able to fly continuously by occasionally tapping the surface of the water with its tail fin as it descends. The flying fish splashed down after a 45-second flight. An expert says this flight time beats the previous record of 42 seconds, reported by an American researcher in the 1920s.